hair transplant 2 days ago with Dr. Caymaz. They took 4,000 grafts and everything went very well. I just finished my first wash. They took off the bandages and everything. Everything was in good shape. Had an amazing experience. They took care of everything from the airport, taking me to the hotel, the accommodations as far as the hotel. Everything is included in a flat fee, and took care of everything that I needed. Even reached out to my contact, Amir, who was my translator. I told him I was looking for some aloe. He helped me out every step of the way with anything I needed. The doctor was very receptive on everything. When we were planning the surgery, I told him I was really focused on getting coverage as opposed to density. So I told him I really wanted to focus on getting the coverage first. And he told me that my donor wasn't the greatest, but they would work with what he had. And he broke it all down for me, like everything, what his plan was from the front to the back, and I was good with all the numbers, and super receptive, super helpful, listens to everything you say as far as how you want your hairline and everything. So can't recommend this place enough. Everything's been great.
So what's your expectation overall after the surgery for the donor area and the implanted area?
Yürüyerek yapalım kanka. Yürüyelim bak, kameraya doğru yürüsün.
Tamam. Yani ne yapacak?
Direkt kameraya doğru yürüyecek kamera.
Alright, let's move with it.
This one.
Böyle
So,
yürüyerek anlatacak.
But keep looking to
Okay.
it. So, how about the pain? To people who thinking about hair transplant, afraid from the pain, afraid from leaving scars to their donor area, what you can say to them?
Yeah, I would tell them not to be worried about it. The pain is very minimal. It's just the injections in the beginning. And once you get through that, all the numbing, you're good the rest of the way. And that's a very, very, very quick process. And everything seems to be healing very well as far as scarring and everything. My donor's are already healing up, as well as the recipient, and I'm looking forward to the results.
Starting with you choosing us to do your surgery, why did you choose us among all places doing hair transplant in Turkey?
Yeah, so I was looking, obviously, for a clinic that specialized in African American hair and had the results to kind of back that up. There's some other clinics that are pretty popular that you hear about, but I was really concerned about over-harvesting the donor area, especially given that I didn't have the greatest donor area to begin with. So I was very conscious about that, and I also still had a patch in the front. So I wanted to kind of have a long-term plan as far as if I lost that in the future, still having some accessible grafts to be able to handle that. And he broke it all down for me. I asked him, like, what are my lifetime grafts? And every question I asked, he was spot on answering everything.